Now this is dealing with multiple conductor cables when a D-rate factor has to be applied in accordance with 392.80 A1A. Now notice 392.80 with its rules tells the installer or designer when D-rating is required. Now notice we have stacked cables there, 5 4-conductor, 1/0 THHN copper. Then we have a single layer to the left, 4-conductor, 350 kc mil, THHN copper conductors. And in the information given, the cable tray, the width is 12 inches, the area is 1.2 SD, the bottom is solid. All conductors and cables are current carrying conductors. So that means all those conductors inside those is shown in the illustration are current carrying. So table in step 1, table 310.16, we obtain the allowable ampacity of each one of these conductors in accordance with a definition of allowable ampacity from Article 100 of the NEC. So 350 kc mil THHN, 350 amp. A 1/0 AWG THHN is 170 amp. Now applying the D-rate factors, which we call adjustment factors, we reference table 310.15C1, and we use this table in accordance with table 310.16. 350 amp conductors times 80% is 280. 170 amp times 80% is 136. But notice we're using the 90-degree column to D-rate back to those ampacities in step 2. So the solution and the answer is the ampacity for 350 kc mils due to the current carrying characteristics is 280. For the 1/0 conductors, 136 is the new ampacity. So this illustration for multiple conductor cables is illustrating when all the conductors are current carrying, there is an adjustment factor required, is outlined in table 310.15C as in car 1.